The line segment tool is used to create straight lines in Adobe Illustrator. Basic creation. Select the line segment tool from the Shape Tools menu. Move the mouse pointer to the artboard. Click and drag to draw a line. Continue dragging until you reach the desired length. Release the mouse button to finish the line. Create a straight horizontal or vertical line. Move the pointer to the artboard. Click and drag to begin drawing. While dragging, hold Shift. Continue dragging in the desired direction. Release the mouse button, then release Shift. Holding Shift constrains the line to 45-degree increments. Draw a line from the center. Move the pointer to the desired center point. Click and drag to begin drawing. While dragging, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac. Continue dragging to set the length of the line. Release the mouse button, then release Alt or Option. The line extends outward in both directions from the point where you started dragging. Create a centered straight line. Move the pointer to the desired center point. Click and drag to begin drawing. Hold Shift plus Alt on Windows or Shift plus Option on Mac. Continue dragging to set the desired length. Release the mouse button, then release the keyboard keys. This creates a straight line centered on the starting point. Create a line with exact settings. Move the pointer to the artboard. Click once on the artboard. The Line Segment Tool Options dialog box appears. Enter the desired length. Enter the desired angle. Click OK. Illustrator creates the line using the exact settings you entered. Keyboard controls while drawing. Press the # key on your keyboard to select the Line Segment tool. Shift constrains the line to 45-degree increments. Alt on Windows / Option on Mac draws from the center. Shift plus Alt on Windows / Shift plus Option on Mac creates a centered straight line. Important mouse action. Remember that the keyboard keys are used while you are holding the mouse button and dragging. For example, to create a centered straight line. Click and drag, hold Shift plus Alt, adjust the length, release the mouse button, release the keys. This gives you precise control over creating straight lines with the Line Segment tool.